This is Victoria Drummond, Britain's first female marine engineer, born in Perthshire, Scotland in 1894. In a world where women weren't expected to work at sea, she trained in Dundee and Aberdeen, determined to follow her dream. During World War II, when her ship was bombed, Victoria kept engines running under fire, saving her crew. She became the first woman awarded Lloyd's War Medal for Bravery at Sea, and she was later honoured with an MBE. Victoria Drummond broke barriers, braved the seas, and proved that courage has no gender.